Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today we're unboxing Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Ultra. What it is? It is the robot vacuum cleaner. Pretty much what else it has obstacle avoidance, quite powerful suction, but I don't know what the PA means. Quite good battery, pretty much high capacity battery, but that doesn't mean anything. It's pretty much more or less like average Android phone battery and compatible with auto empty station. I'm gonna do the separate unboxing of the auto empty station. What else on the packaging? Pretty much do not step, this side up, stacking limit, keep dry, and that it is a fragile thing. Yes, it is fragile thing. Promotional thing. Okay, let's sip a little bit of coffee. So tasty. Okay, let's try to open that up. Start here, I guess. Okay. And I don't want to just ruin the packaging, but I think I will at least a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Let's open it up. Yes. Let's open that up. Okay, the user manual, nice. And we have a lot of languages. And also, this is the start guide and the warranty guide. Nice. Well, the user manual, the first starting is English, 21-page user manual. What do we have here? The filter, the dust compartment cover, dust compartment clip, water tank, mop pad, Velcro, charging station, clip sensor, omnidirectional wheel, charging contact, side brush. Cool, I like the side brush. Wi-Fi indicator on Wi-Fi connected, blinking waiting, connection connecting, off Wi-Fi is not connected. Okay, the installation, remove protective coverings, install the side brush, place charging dock against the wall and charge, tidy up any loose cord, okay, let's tidy up the cords. Xiaomi Mi Home app. Yeah, I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna reset the Wi-Fi. What do you mean reset Wi-Fi? Okay. Yes. Let's put those to the side and let's dig in what's more in here. Yes, I guess that's it. So let's put that to the side for show. And here it is. That's the charging station and the cable. Can I open it up or should be able to open that? Oh no, that's from the top. No? Yeah, from the top. Yes. That's just the cord. Nothing else? Yeah, nothing else. Put it to the side. Let's open up the cord and see how good that is. Oh, so it's without power. Oh, because the power bank is right here. Not the power bank, but I mean the place where the energy input conversion is done. Okay, this cable is 2.5 ampere, 250 volts. So pretty much that's the maximum of the cable. Let's take a look at the charging station. Oh, because that's yeah, of course. Oh, that's a little. Yeah, it's really just small. Ooh, you see the contacts? Nice. Here's the power cable, charging dock. Nice. It's quite stylish. I wonder what's the actual usage of this part, which is glossy and everything else is matte. I wonder why this part is glossy. Okay, let's put it to the side. That's just the back. And here is the robot itself. Let's just take it out. Wow, wow, it looks good. Nice. Take a look at it. It's glossy. I quite like it, and it's sturdy. It looks like it built, you know, to last. Wow. Nice. Nice. I didn't think that it was like this. I guess that's where the cleaning compartment is. Nonetheless, on home, we're not gonna push it now. Here's the laser, which pretty much maps up your home. So that's that. Grills, maybe for cooling down, holes, or maybe just the decoration without any actual usage. Here it is. The wheels, which are sturdy, and the and it's actually quite soft, not hard plastic. Interesting. What else we have? Here's the contacts, the omnidirectional wheel. I guess how it rotates everything. Oh, or maybe here the contacts. This is for maybe that self-cleaning thingy. Oh no, this is for the charger. This is for the self-cleaning. Because this is the connection where it connects and sucks out air and so on. Okay, let's put it in the side and let's see. There's a little bit more inside. We have one one brush. Yeah. Little brush. It's quite toy. It has that quite toy feel, but it's rubberized, so. And I guess we have one mop. Oh, yes. We have one mop. It's good that these packages do not break, but they open up with and here we have our mop. Install the mop. Dampen the mop pad and wring out excess water. Slide the edge of the middle part of the mop pad into the middle slot of the water tank. Slide the edges on both ends of the mop pad into slots on both sides of the water tank. press the pad onto the Velcro to attach to the water tank. Okay, so you need to take it off, damp, then press, and then if slow water flow occurs or the volume is not well distributed, please clean the air hole in the cover of the water tank. Pretty much this hole, I guess this hole of air, or it refers to some other. I guess, yeah, it refers to this. Cool. So pretty much that's it. That was an unboxing of Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop 2 Ultra. Thank you for watching. That was MDP Tech, and please like, comment if you have any questions about this or other products, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.